We talk about how can you fix this problem on your Disney app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to settings list here. Then it's going to show for you like this. So then you go down here, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Disney app. Then you just click here on search. Then here add Disney app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on force stop. So then you click here on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Then you come to storage list here, click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.